So I'm also going to go ahead and make some barbecue baked beans because my family said they wanted barbecue baked beans. So here I have a can of baked beans. I have some bacon, I have onions, and I have the other seasonings to the side. So let's go in and add bacon to the pot. And I use like half pack of bacon. And to this I'm just going to add like a tablespoon of water. And the reason why I use the water, I realize when you use water, your bacon isn't as dried out and it's also not that messy when frying. So I'm just going to allow that to fry and eventually the water will evaporate. Okay, so this is my bacon. I'm just going to go ahead and remove this from the stove and drain off the excess grease. So here I have some of the bacon grease. I'm just going to go ahead and add my onion. And I'm using one small purple onion right here. I went ahead and drained some of the liquid off my baked beans. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my baked beans now. And to my baked bean, I'm adding 1 teaspoon garlic powder. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. To that, I'm going to add some yellow mustard. Also some ketchup. I would say like 1/4 cup of ketchup. I need a new bottle of ketchup. Okay. Also, I'm going to add like a tablespoon of W sauce. That's like a tablespoon right there. Also, a tablespoon of brown sugar. And also some molasses. That's like 1 tablespoon of molasses. I'm going to add some pepper. Some salt. I'm going to add some pepper flakes, not a lot, just for a little kick. Okay. Add my bacon. Let me just sprinkle with some dry thyme. And now I'm just going to go ahead and cover that and allow it to simmer on low to medium heat. And that is my barbecue baked beans. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more home cooked meal ideas. See you soon. Bye.